Okay, you guys, I am at Midland and I'm just gonna drive through because it says it's dangerous and no trespassing. So I'm gonna come through here. I'm gonna film some of this stuff that's really out in the open, and okay, wait a second, there we go. Right in the building over there. I thought it was an actual town. It isn't. It is an old working mine. So I'm going to come through here and let's see. They said there's open mine shafts all over the place. It's not safe. Structures aren't solid and not safe. And they could fall through into mine shafts because the mine shafts are all underground here. That's another structure that used to be there. Okay, I'm gonna try to drive and get this stuff. That there is, this is Midland. And this here in front of us is another building. We're driving on it right now, which may not be a good idea, but I don't see another way to really get through here. There's another structure right there.
Continue on Midland Depot Road for 3/4 of a mile.
And there is there. I think someone might be there. Oops. So we are gonna, there's someone over there. There's another big building. Was right here. There's a big slab. Yeah, there's people living out here. Let's get this old car up here. Looks like there's some campsites. I'm gonna stay on the road. Let's see. There's an old car. Debris. And looks like there's another old truck up here. Just gonna go up this road, then we'll turn around and leave.
In 600 feet, turn left to stay on Midland Depot Road.
There's an old truck right here. an old truck. Whoops. Let's see if we can see what that says. Do not. What's it say? Back up a little bit. Sorry about it being so wiggly, you guys. Trying to. Let's see, where's that at? Okay, there we go. Do not remove property of Midland Historical Society. Okay, cool. There's Tinkerbell. Now we are gonna drive up here. See what's up here.
Turn right.
Let's see what's that. Oh, I want to go up there. Okay, so okay.
Sharp left to stay on Midland Depot Road, then turn left.
Another old car. And then that says Midland, California. Drive up here a little bit further.
In 500 feet, turn left. Turn left.
Let's turn around here. How am I going to turn around? Is it all the way around?
Turn left.
This here looks like somebody lives here. Not sure. Or they vacation.
100 feet, turn left toward Midland Depot Road.
So, maybe I got to turn around. Alright, these were all little houses, it looks like, all along here. So we're gonna turn around, go through here, back up. And see, that was, they were taking the structures down. See the sidewalk and everything was on there. All right. There are a few few people that have vacation places out here, or they're the owners of the property. I'm not sure. But these were all houses. They have their little sidewalks. And, yeah. There's not much left here.
Head east.
So we are going to get the heck out of town because we don't want to be falling in any shafts.
In 800 feet, slight left to stay on Midland Depot Road.
So I guess I'm going to put the camera down because it's kind of hard to drive. It's getting dark, hard to see. And this is Midland, California. Thanks, you guys. Please like and subscribe. Please share on your social medias. Help my channel grow. Let's get to 1,000. And please tell your friends and family.
Then you will arrive at your destination.
Please tell your friends and your family to subscribe to my channel. Peace.